Google Analytics 4 tracks a lot of data. If you use Pixel Your Site, we do send a lot of events to Google Analytics 4 and a lot of parameters with these events. However, the default reports don't show a lot of the data that is tracked. That's why it's very useful to use something called explorations. And in this video, I will show you how you can create a new exploration tracking a funnel, a very simple funnel for WooCommerce or any e-commerce website. Basically a funnel where you can see people visiting products, add to cart and purchases, how they can be tracked, and very interesting data about this. Let's start by creating a new exploration. I'm inside a Google Analytics 4 account. Click on explore and you will end up here. Create new. By the way, you already have some explorations by default from Google, very complex, and I encourage you to watch and play with them. But for now, let's have our own very simple exploration. Here you need to create, select funnel, and now I want to create my steps. Step 1, add condition, it will be event, and I want view, where is, let's search, view item. Step 1, I will give it this name. Add step, I want add to cart. This will be the name, and events add to cart. And final step, purchase. Again, events, purchase, and click apply. I already have some interesting data. You can change the reporting period. You can name your exploration from here. You can do this later, so it will be view item, add to cart, and purchase. Okay, but I can do some more. For example, I can see what's the most popular next action from here. Go and, well, no, I need to populate my dimensions before I can use anything. It's an awkward step, but that's how Google works. I would have loved not to be forced to do this and have the option to select dimensions directly, but in this case it will be event name. What else? Device. And let's see. So next action, event name. Now I can select it because it's in my dimensions list. And if you move your mouse over here, you will see what is the most popular next action. So the other events that are fired from here. And from here, for example, I have a signal event which tracks various actions, page view, scroll, and from here again, page view and scroll. Sometimes this is useful. Let's break down by device. Again, I can select it because it's in this list. And now I can see some interesting data about what devices my visitors and eventual clients use. So this is quite useful, and I can select the number of rows. So I can increase this, and now I see more data. Okay, maybe I want something else. Maybe I want device model. Not set. Now, some of them don't work. I don't know why. Let's see, browser. Hopefully it works. Yeah, so now I can tell what are the most popular browsers for each of those steps. Anyway, and you can play with this funnel. You can add other steps. You can change the reporting window. You can add more dimensions and try to see if they work. Most of them will not. And once you're ready, make sure you give it a name or simply go back and you will have this funnel report in your list right here. You can delete or duplicate or rename, and of course you can share it. Another thing you can do is to download the data, export data, or again share it from here with other people. So it's just a very short example of how you can create funnel reports inside Google Analytics 4. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.